Blots Ruling Template is designed to make ruling out guidelines for calligraphy quick and easy. The template is made from clear crystal acrylic so that the page underneath can be seen clearly. Using a T-square, the template and a 0.5mm mechanical pencil, lines can be drawn across the page quickly and accurately. The holes cut in the template are in 3 columns. The holes in each column are 3mm apart, and the second and third columns are each 1mm lower. This means that lines can be drawn at any interval by counting the holes to the required width. To show you how quick and easy the template is to use, I will rule a page for a 3mm nib. The X height will be 5 nib widths. The ascender and descenders 4 nib widths and a single nib width as a spacer. So we begin with our T-square and our template and put the top hole of the template on the line where you want, at the top of the page where you want the top of the writing to be, and rule across the page. Then we go down, for our ascender we go down 4 nib widths, 1, 2, 3, 4, and rule back across the page. Our X height is going to be 5 nib widths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and rule back across the page. Our descender is going to be 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 nib width for our spacer between. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we need to move our template down and until the top hole on the template aligns with the last line drawn. And then we want 5 nib widths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, a single spacer, one, 2, 3, 4, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on down the page. The holes in a template are in 3 columns, and the width between each hole is 3mm. And each column drops by 1mm. So the holes in the first column are 3mm apart. The second column is also 3mm apart, but dropped by 1mm. The third column likewise a millimetre lower. When measuring from the top hole, if you wanted to draw a line at 4mm or 5mm, you would count the next hole down 3mm, plus 1 for 4mm, another one for 5. If you wanted to draw a line at 7mm or 8mm, you simply count down 3, 6, plus 1 is 7. The next hole will be 8mm. So, to repeat, a line at 8mm can easily be counted from the top. 1, 2, which is 6mm, plus 1, which is 8mm. For the next line, simply count from the last hole to the required width. Blots Ruling Template comes with a reminder of these instructions. It is easy to use, it is very versatile and a worthwhile addition to any calligrapher's toolbox. It is only available from Blots Pen and Ink Supplies.